What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got another NASCAR diecast unboxing to get into. We've got some brand spanking new releases here. We got 5 164s in this box. We're going to take them out one at a time. We're going to see what we like, and we're going to get into it right about now. Let's move the box because I like to keep the surprise. One at a time, let's see what we got. So first up, William Byron, number 24 Raptor, 2026 version, which of course this scheme is just the patriotic scheme from last season, and they gave it to Raptor, which up until this point has always been like green and black, and now it's the red, white, and blue car, which good on them. I love this scheme. Loved it last season at the 600 with Exalta on it back then. No complaints. It's growing on me. It was kind of odd when it first dropped to see Raptor take over when it's associated with the green. But cool. First out of the box. Next up, we've got Joey Logano, 2026 Hunt Brothers Pizza for Team Penske Mustang. So pretty cool one here. Hunt Brothers Pizza been on the 2020, or been on the 22 for a few years now. Sticking with Logano, there's the 2026 version. Next up, we've got a 2025. This is the number 45 of Tyler Reddick Upper Deck Superman Toyota Camry. This is from the in-season tournament race, which you can see by the yellow name banner. So pretty cool. Yellow name banner going with the yellow on here, Upper Deck and Superman. Nice to get. Next up, the 2026 version of the Ross Chastain number 1 Busch Light Chevrolet for Trackhouse. Gorgeous, of course. Can't wait for the Busch Light Apple diecast. The Busch Light Lime car just got announced. It's going to be racing coming up at Pocono. If you see this video before, it will be racing at Pocono. If you see this after, it raced at Pocono. So can't wait to see that one on the track and get that diecast whenever it comes out, because Busch Light always rocks, and especially the apple and the lime, the peach. Peach is always good. And next, this is the Casey Mears number 69 Pit Stop 2025 F-150. So this one's pretty sick. Of course, it's one of those. It's got all the names on the truck bed. The Pit Stop Racing diecasts and memorabilia. It's a good place to get your stuff from. Been on there a few times. But a really cool one to get here. We got a Casey Mears truck coming out in the big 2.6. So it's a cool one to end on. Pretty obscure one to get your hands on. But this one was a pretty quick one, all things considered. Just 5 brand newbies in this one. Looks like the rest of June and July for sure will have a bunch of 164s coming out based off the shipping report. So, as always, subscribe and you'll check out the new ones when they come out. But as for this video, like the video, leave a comment on which car from this video you like the best. Like I said, subscribe for more. I'll always be uploading the brand new diecasts because I am on top of that, and I'm glad to get these. So again, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for checking this one out.